golf,
Yes, so we can say he is playing
golf,
golf on a
Saturday.
yes, on a Saturday. Lovely. And Daniel, we've just come back from the weekend. So yesterday was Monday, and I'd like to know what did you do on the weekend? On a Saturday, the previous Saturday?
Uh, last weekend, and I'm
Yes.
visiting to my cousin as the wedding
Oh,
party.
also you went to celebrate a wedding?
Yes, that.
That's nice. So last week on Saturday, I went to celebrate my my cousin's wedding. Lovely. Thank you so much, Daniel, for sharing and well done. And then I do think we have someone who's just joined us as well. And this is hello.
Yes, hello teacher.
Hi, and how are you today?
Yes, I'm good. And you?
I'm well, thank you for asking. And is your name Teen?
Yes.
Lovely to meet you, Teen. And Teen, we have, Maritza, Bao, and Daniel in the lesson, and we're busy looking at different days of the week. And I would like to know, looking at the woman in picture number 4, I'd like to know what is she doing on a Friday?
Yes. She is playing tennis.
Correct. Yes, she is playing tennis on a Friday. And I'd like to know, Tin, do you like to play sport games?
Yes. I like to
Hmm.
play sport.
You like to play sports, and what's your favorite sports to play?
Yes, my favorite sport is basketball and football.
Okay, let's take basketball. And I'd like to know, when do you play basketball?
Mm, I play basketball in Sunday.
On Sunday. Okay, so I usually play basketball on Sundays. Lovely. Thank you so much, Teen, for sharing and well done. And so, ladies and gentlemen, great work on using your verbs to describe what they're doing. And also, you did a very lovely job of using your nouns also in the sentences. So, thank you. And also, thank you for sharing what you do on different days of the week. And so, Maritza, Bao, Daniel, and Tina, lovely, great work, everyone. And now I'd like us to look at the next lesson. But this lesson continues. But what I'd like us to do differently is we're going to role play. So you all are going to be each other's students and each other's coaches. So let's start with Maritza. I'm going to write your name here. And we'll have Bao here. Oh, sorry, Bao. And then we'll have Daniel. And we'll have Teen. And so, what I'd like you to do for me is I would like you to ask each other questions, and I would also like you to include the day of the week. So, there are many days of the week you can choose from. Just going to put them down on the screen. There we go. And we'll start with Maritza. And Maritza, I would like you to ask Bao a question using your picture.
Okay.
Thank you.
About do you like cook?
Do you like
Like to cook?
Okay, lovely. So, Bao, do you like to cook?
No, I don't like to cook.
No, thank you for your honesty. No, I do not like to cook. Lovely. Thank you, Bao. And thank you also, Maritza, for your unique question. Lovely work. And then I come to Bao. And Bao, I would like you to use your use your picture. And could you ask Daniel a question for me, please?
What is his job?
Okay. So Daniel, they'd like to know what is his job. Thank you, Bao. Lovely question. And yes, Daniel.
His job is the engineer.
Yeah, so he's an engineer, so we can say
Yes.
his job is being an engineer. Lovely, great work. Thank you, Daniel. And Daniel, I'd like us to look. Sorry, let me just put your answer. There we go. And Daniel, I would like us to look at your picture, and I would like you to ask Tin a question for me using your picture.
I think. Do you
Hi.
like jogging? Do you like jogging?
So Tin, I'd like to know, do you like jogging?
Yes.
Yes, I like jogging.
Ah, nice. So yes, I do like to jog. Oh, sorry. Let me just fix my eye. Lovely. Thank you, Daniel. Lovely question. And also thank you, Tin, for answering it. And Tin, I would like you to use your picture. And can you ask Maritza a question?
Yes. Hi,
Mhm.
Marissa. Do you like a dog?
So, do you like dogs?
Yes, I like because they are very friendly.
Ah, yes, I do like them because they are very friendly. Lovely answer. Thank you, Maritza. And thank you, Tin, for your lovely question. So, ladies and gentlemen, excellent work in asking each other unique questions. I'm very happy with the use of your vocabulary words and also use of different questions in the different pictures. And I'd just like to copy and paste them so that you are also able to copy them if you need them. Sorry, just one more, and we'll just take tens. Okay, so thank you, Maritza, Bao, Daniel, and Tina. Oh, and Tin, sorry, and Tin. Great work. And now I'd like us to look at the next couple of pictures. And this time we're looking at road signs, but I would like us to look at picture signs. So start with Maritza. And Maritza, looking at the first picture sign, what do you think it means?
I think this sign mean
Mhm.
mm,
And you can you can speak telephone.
Okay, so how
Yes.
about we say this sign means you can find? So we can find a payphone. What else can we find?
And forks.
Okay, so what do forks stand for? What do you think it means?
It means you can eat.
Yes, so meaning we can find restaurants, right?
Yes.
Yes. So we can, this sign means you can find a payphone, a restaurant. And the last one I'd like to know, what do you think this means in the middle?
I don't know.
Okay, don't worry, I'll help you. Meaning you can also get gas. Mhm.
Gas.
Yes, like at a gas station. Like some say it's petrol.
Yes.
Yes, and you can also get gas. So usually a bow, you can find these different signs when you're going on a very long trip. So they tell us or they show us that there is a place where we can use a payphone, a gas, get some gas, and we can also eat or get a restaurant at that particular place. But well done on trying to describe it. Thank you. And then I come to Daniel. And Daniel, I'd like to know, looking at picture number 3, what do you think this sign means?
Hmm. Stop the car.
You think it stopped the car? Or
Yeah.
no, cars are not allowed?
Allowed exit.
Yes,
Only.
Daniel?
Yes.
Oh, what do you think it means?
Mm, I don't know.
You're not
No.
sure?
No ideas.
Yeah, don't worry, I can help you. So usually when there's a sign that has, especially when it's red, so it's a caution sign and it's telling you there are no cars allowed. As we can see, there's a car and then there's a line. So it
Yes.
means that there are no cars allowed in this part. So, sorry, let me write it on the chat box. It means that no cars are allowed in this area.
Allowed. Allowed.
In this area. Lovely. Thank you, Daniel. uh, and then I come to Tin. And Tin, I'd like us to look at the last one. And I'd like to know, do you know what this means? These signs?
Um, I I think it mean the restaurant has a toilet.
Uh-huh. Okay, so we can say there is a restroom and a restaurant or a cafe or a cafe. Okay, so some people, when you see a coffee, well, a tea mug or a coffee mug, it means a cafe. For some people, it still means a restaurant. So thank you so much, Teen. Lovely work. And so, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for describing to me what you think the different signs mean. And also, you did very well in the lesson. And so, our lesson is coming to an end. But before it ends, I'd like us to look at one more vocabulary word, and I'll start with Maritza. Maritza, I'd like to know, what is this called in English? Do you know?
I think this is a dictionary.
Correct. Yes, it is a dictionary. Lovely work. Then I come to bow. And bow, I'd like to know, what do we use a dictionary for?
Um, I use a dictionary for class.
Lovely. So I use a dictionary for class. Lovely. Thank you, Pao. And then I come to Daniel. And Daniel, I'd like to know, when do we use a dictionary?
Uh, I find
Kệ
the
không?
word
Qua gì?
Yes.
and,
Kệ
Lovely.
không?
and
So
yes,
we use a dictionary
we use the dictionary. We
when
want.
we want to look up the meaning of a word or words. There we go. Thank you, Daniel. And then I come to Tina and Tin. Oh, sorry. Then I come to Tin, and Tin, I'd like to know, how many dictionaries do you have?
Hmm, a lot of. I don't remember.
You have a lot of dictionaries, and are they all in English?
Hmm, I don't remember.
You don't remember. Okay, no problem. But thank you, Tin, for sharing. And so, Maritza, Bao, Daniel, Tina,
I don't
thank you
remember.
so much for your lovely work today. You did an excellent job, and you
Eh,
showed a wonderful understanding of the different topics we had in today's lesson. And thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, on expressing yourself and using your vocabulary words so well. So, overall, good job today. And I'm so sorry for going over time, but thank you, Maritza, Bao, Daniel, and Tin. Until we meet again, thank you so much for joining me. Do have a lovely day, ladies and gentlemen, and goodbye.
Bye
Bye.
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 Have a
Bye
good
bye.
day.
Thank you.